Yes, sir.
Okay, one
So I
of you
have just
don't.
started recording it.
Yeah, okay. You started recording.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So this is what we have done yesterday, and now here we have created the parents, family members. So this is one family member somebody has entered. This is another family member. Okay. So today we will see some other aspects of this. Suppose you said GV 001, 002 and all that. Now, you can also tell the machine, I want a sequencer. So here I can just say GV0 and I just say sequencer. I saved it. So when you say add new, you will get the GV0 1001 onwards. So again, after that, so now if you say add, you will get 1002. And now you can make it read only so that, so that user cannot change it. Okay, clear? Hello?
Yes, clear.
No, I told one of you, please do not mute. Keep replying that you are able to hear it. I don't know. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the sequencer. The concept is sequencer. Okay. Now let us say, for example, we want to create marks, okay, sheet for the student. Whatever I'm creating, we may remove it later. Okay. So I'm saying that let us build a form. Okay. So here we are trying to build the form. So this we are going to call it as GV underscore marks. Let us assume that. Okay. Create.
Okay.
When I say create, it created the basic table. Basic table comes with some table elements already. So now I'm starting my forms engine. This is one way of doing it, I wanted to tell you. Okay. So custom name, you have the entity code. Okay. What I meant by entity code is the student registration number. Entity name. Okay. They're coming here. Okay. Now you have a class. That is in which class? Okay. Acad year. Okay. In which academic year he has got this. So I can name it as academic. Okay. You just say show form, it will show you the form. Now this I'm going to make it read only. Okay. Mandatory. This is also mandatory. This is also read only. There is a reason why I'm making it, which I will explain later. So in this academic year, so in which subject? Okay. So how much marks, say max marks? I'm going to make that as, integer. Okay, if I make integer, they can only give 10, 15, 20, 21 like that. If you make it real, they can give 21.5 required. Okay, so I made this integer and I said save. So here I go there and press any key, it says numbers only. Okay, because we defined it as integer. Okay, now I'm going to put minimum marks also. Okay, then int marks. Okay, now again here also you can do like this, or you can go here and say he's going to special search on the name, on the class, okay, on the subject. I'm giving special search for this form, and minimax max I'm going to make it as read only. So here you can more or less configure all the things together. Okay. So here you are going to say that, okay, the para name is subject. Now if I see this, you are seeing the form like this. Of course, this class should be a drop down. Okay. So in your case, you have maybe let us say 5 to 6 or whatever it is. So this is a combo box. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I saved it. So now you have the classes. Okay. And the subject also, there will be subject and there will be a subject code also, which we have forgotten. I'm going to make it as word. Okay. So this is the subject code. Show form. Okay. So the subject code, I'm putting it after the subject. 1 minute. Whether my people have joined, I don't know. Hello. Plumsoft నుంచి ఎవరన్నా చేరారా? ఒక్క నిమిషం. అని చేస్తాను. వాళ్ళు వచ్చారా పైకి? వాళ్ళు ఇంకా జాయిన్ అయినట్టు లేరు. ఒకసారి కనుక్కో. వాళ్ళని జాయిన్ అవ్వమను. జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. నీకు పంపించాను కదా, వాళ్ళకి వాళ్ళ మెయిల్ ఐడీలు నాకు తెలియవు, అందుకని. హలో రెడ్డి గారు, శివరామ్ రెడ్డి గారు, అతను వాళ్ళు చేరితే మీరు అలౌ చేయండి. ఓకే. ఓకే. హలో.
యా చెప్పండి సార్. మీ వాయిస్ కొంచెం బ్రేక్ అయింది.
లేదు, మా వాళ్ళు చేరుతారు. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
చేర్చే వాళ్ళని అలౌ చేయండి అంటున్నాను ఇందులోకి, మీటింగ్లోకి.
ఓకే.
Okay. So now you are seeing we have made this form separately. Okay. Now I'm going to make this as marks. And now if I search here, I'll get that marks form. But these marks are not to be entered directly by the user. I mean, independently. It should be attached to our student only. So for that reason, I'm going to remove the direct landing. Okay. If I remove this, if you search for marks, you don't get the marks so that you can click. Okay. Is it clear? So I'm going to students now. So in students, I'm going to add this marks as child form. This is the one. Okay.
Okay.
So I added this as a child form. Now I get marks here. So that form, whatever we have created, has come here. That means each student can have more than one record. Is it clear?
Clear.
So this entity code has to come from here. So if I edit this, okay, the code is entity code. Student name is entity name. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass this to the marks. So here I'm going to say default is H entity code. Okay. Now if I go to marks, you will see the GV002 has come from here to this. Okay. If I go and click here marks, you'll see GV, this has come here. Okay. I'm going to edit this, and same way so I'm going to marks. You will see the entity code and name both have come here.
Okay.
Okay, now I selected class, some academic year. This also can be brought from the financial year or the academic year. Okay, so some subject, I'm going to give the marks. That data comes and sits here. So here, what you should show maybe subject, marks, academic year would be helpful. Okay, so this is acad year. Okay, this is subject. Okay, this is obtained marks. So I'm going to correct here. Okay, setup. Academic year, subject, marks. So we must have entered for this person. 2023, subject, marks. Okay. Now if you keep your mouse here, you will see further details. Assume that in subject same class 5. Okay. Class 5, I will say subject 002. He got maybe 45. Okay. So if you keep the here, maybe we have entered it. Academic year, subject is Okay.
Okay, sir.
హలో సార్, వాళ్ళు చేరారా మా వాళ్ళు? చందు వాళ్ళు చేరారు. చందు,
Yes, sir.
సో నా ఓకే చేరాడు కదా. సో నౌ కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? You create a separate form and his details have come. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us say that we have to, whenever a new student is generated, you want to send an email. Okay.
Okay.
So for now, for reference, I will remove this because every time it will be asking me. Okay. So for this can be achieved by what is called a code segment, because at the back end you have to do that, or it can be done using triggers also. Okay. So that means I can create a trigger here. Okay. Trigger name is send mail on insert update. Okay. On change of maybe I will say okay, on change of any of the fields. Okay. So I'm saying subject, comma, obtained marks. Okay. If these two change, you send the mail. Condition, you can write a condition which I will explain later. So while insert, while update. Okay. By email, by SMS. So let me not, okay, but doesn't matter. So let me go to communications. This is the shastri@shop.com, from shastri@shop.com to so and so mobile number, some message, the student is you understood, no, what I'm trying to write?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I created this trigger. Let me just check whether it is working or not. On subject, no, sorry. I created a trigger for this. I think I made a mistake. I created a triggers. Yeah. So here actually the made a mistake. That's okay. So if I change the entity name, it should send me a trigger. Okay.
Okay.
So I saved it. Let me see if I got any mail. Yeah, it took little time. Hopefully the message would have. See, the trigger has come here. Some message to
Yeah.
student Shiva 2. Okay.
Yes.
You got it, no?
Got it. So on change of the record that we are specifying, it will send us a trigger.
Yes, on change of the record, and we are also indicating on change of which field. Okay. So here, suppose if I change my marks, male, female, okay, I don't get any trigger. Okay.
Yes.
So let me remove my. So if I want that also to come in the trigger, I'm going to mention triggers in this trigger itself, comma, gender. Okay.
Okay.
So here I'm going to write. Now let me edit this and male to female I made. So I might get another male. Let me see the spelling is correct or not. GGNDER. Oh, sorry. Yeah, some mail has come.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the triggers, how you use them. So it can be on any form, and you can write the message in whatever the form you wanted. Okay. Here itself, you can write the HTML also. So I wrote like this, and I'm changing the email. So here I got another message, and you will see the bold letter coming up and a one HR coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this way you can create the figures, and the same way you can also use it as a code segment also. Suppose this number, okay, I will keep it open for temporarily for now. I'm removing the sequencer and I'm making it as text box. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I register number text box, so we might have given no edit. If you remember.
Yes.
I'm removing that also. So this person, I'm making it as 2. It got saved because I did not tell that it should be unique. So that was a mistake. So I go here and say unique as unique value and save this. Now, if I try to go there and update, it says there is already a number like this. Or even if I take this number, try to change to this number, it says there is already no future dates are allowed. ఇదొక mistake. ఇది పట్టుకుంది. Now I am submitting it. ఇవాళ ఎంత డేటు?
22nd.
August 2017. So okay. So it went to the 4. Okay. Please enter date more than 4. The date is about August 2004. Let me just see this date of birth. And pass. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. So
Yeah.
this is how you see
Yes.
the unit test. You've seen sequencer, uniqueness, okay, send mail, okay, and you have seen new form and new form as say, okay, clear?
Okay. Yes.
So now we are going to say that this boy, every student must have a Aadhaar card, okay? So if I edit this and try to go here, I see some attachment. You see, it only says some attachment, okay? So you can say, go here and say multi-attachment, okay? So I want Aadhaar, okay? While inserting, while updating, okay, while insert nothing is mandatory, okay? JPEG file, optional, box, yes, optional combo, okay? Some explanation here. So I said create. Now you will see child attachments, okay? Add multi-attachment, child attachment, Microsoft Teams, image 1. This is what we created, add multiple attachments. This one we have created, just 1 minute, and multi-attachments. So here you see Aadhaar has come. You can enter the Aadhaar number here,
Okay.
and then attach specific Aadhaar form.
Okay.
So see this number we made a mistake. Okay.
Okay.
GB002A. I'm just saving it. ఏంటో చూడాలి why it is happening like this. And for now, let me remove that. Chaudhary, Chandu.
Yes, sir.
ఎందుకు వస్తుందో ఒకసారి చూడాలి. పాస్ట్ పెడితే అది ఎందుకో ఎలా చేయటం లేదు. ఓకే, and you will see the photo has come as of. So that means we are going to create by photograph, Aadhaar card, or ration card. Here very explicitly you can give it. You want to delete, you delete. And these are other attachments. You can do multiple attachments. So suppose I say add multiple attachment, take the files. I can simply multi-select files. Okay. So I'm just taking these 3 items. Straight away I'm going to attach. I have attached to the number 2A. Okay. So if I go there, you will see all the attachments have come. And we also attached Aadhaar. Yesterday we attached this some screen.
Yes.
Okay. So that also has come here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So here named attachments. So you created a form, you created child. Now this drop down, it can be like this, or they can come here also. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose I'm going here, going to the link. This marks. Okay. I wanted it to come as inline. So list edit, line link, and I wanted some special icon for that. Of course, in line links, you may not get any icon. Okay. Yeah, I think you will get, sorry, forgot. Marks. Okay. Line link. And the icon what I wanted. Okay. Is maybe some icon like this. I said update.
Okay.
So when I'm refreshing this, you will see this icon has come. When you keep the mouse, it becomes marks.
Okay.
That means if some links are very fast, you want the details, you can keep them here. You don't have to click this and then click again. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So here also, I'm trying to make the family members, okay, who are there as it is. I'm not going to change them, but maybe I'm going to change the user groups as the icon. So I updated it. Now you will see this icon has come. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let us just see a code segment sample. So I'm going to go here and tell the application, please create a code segment for me. So when I create a code segment, it creates a PHP file like this. Okay. That will be in my editor. Of course, you can also edit from here, but I don't want you to do that. So here you will see Guruveda. Okay.
Okay.
In that you will see segments. So in this you will see student, GV students. Okay.
Okay.
So here there is some code which got generated. I will just say before pre-insert, okay, post-insert, pre-update, post-update, whatever it is. Okay. So post-update, I wanted to say send mail. So this is the table, this is the ID. Okay. So I'm going to get $ds is equal to clear.
Yes.
So I'm going to do this way. So when you, after updating, you please get the DS which I updated, okay, using these parameters, then send mail updated so and so DS of entity name, JSON encode of DS from this mail. Okay, let us see what happens. So I'm going to my application. I'm taking this Shastri. I'm making some changes. Okay, function get value for PS. See, updated Shastri. This is the
Okay.
entire JSON. Okay. So this JSON, if you parse it, okay. Now these are the fields which the application has created automatically. Last
Okay.
updated, last inserted, linked, everything. So this is the pure JSON which we printed. This is our entity table. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can also write here in the mail, okay, in the code here, that so and so updated. Instead of JSON, you can put the message in a maybe HTML format, whatever it is. So
Okay.
you do this in all the possible ways. So this is pre-list. Suppose I say print R. I'm going here and loading this. See, this is sample. You got what I am trying to tell? Pre-list. That
Yes.
means before listing this, you put this. That could be a message or it could be anything. Okay.
Yes. Sir. Yes. 1 second, sir. Nagamala Reddy
Yeah.
has joined.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Hi, sir.
Got
Yeah.
delayed,
Okay.
was stuck in some other call.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay, sir. Can you take it forward from now?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So today we have covered these points: the sequencer, uniqueness, code segment, new form created as child created, named attachments, drop down links, inline links, icon setting, sending a mail. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will.
So this is all we have covered it, and yeah. Now this Telegram which we have integrated. Okay. Why I have asked you to come to Telegram is see all that whatever we spoke till now. Okay, Guruveda is there. Now Guruveda I'm trying to search. Okay. So all the data that has exchanged, you see, Nagamal already said, sure, sir, we will look into this. Okay.
Okay.
So also maybe some time back, madam has put some image, I think. See, this is the image I have put it. Okay. Maybe if I go to the first page. Okay. Let us see this. This is mine. You just try to attach a photo or something now in our group.
Okay. You want me to? What about that video, sir, that I shared last night?
I've
So that
seen
also
that.
getting
Okay.
updated.
No. Videos we don't upload because that will be too big a
Yeah.
load. Okay. You can put a PDF or image and send a SMS to send a Telegram message to me.
Okay. Sure.
All of you can send samples. You can attach some photo or just normal messages. All of you send it. Okay.
Okay.
See, this is the last message at 7:52. No, none of them have sent anything.
I'm just sending it now. I just sent one workflow diagram.
Yeah. You see, here is the image. This is what he has sent just now.
Okay.
Okay.
It's pretty much
So
sent
I'm
now.
going to the next page. So this is, we have all the members except Suresh or something. He has sent the message.
Yeah.
So all those things, they keep coming here. Okay. So here also message to message time, bot ID, okay, group ID. Maybe I can just remove them, list whatever I want. Okay. I can go here and say the bot ID I don't want. Okay. I just say that and my list is there. And you're not using any assign to. I'm just removing that. This is our context. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever we are talking, they will be coming here. I've got some
Okay.
message. Thank you. Great Siva. Okay. This is Rajshekar Guruveda. So here itself I can search Nagamalla Reddy. So I will get all the messages that I got it from him. Okay,
Okay.
some video he has sent that has not come here. Okay, and also now suppose this student, he wanted to locate his geolocation. Okay, so I'm going here, I'm going to the table. Okay, I'm going to write geolocation. This is one way of doing. Okay, so I said geolocation, then going to the form. What happened? It's something, I don't know. Fields. So this geolocation also I'm bringing to this form. Okay, now if I edit, you will see the geolocation coming. Now
Okay.
I wanted to make it as a geolocation control. So the moment I press this, I will get, this is where I am now. Okay, Pranav Praniti Antilia. Okay, or I can drag it to anywhere. You will get the address, everything here. And similarly, in the earlier cases, we don't have the address. So you can simply drag it and say he is in Leadership Academy. Save the record. This is the second record. So we are clicking here and you will see the address of that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So like this, we have lot of controls. Okay. Suppose you want to make an e-learn application. Okay. So I'm going to create a new thing. One generic field I will create. Okay. I'm going to the table and say generic. Okay. Sorry. So I'm going to give a text that is large text. Okay. Generic field name. So I went to this, went to the fields. Okay. Added this generic field to my form. So when I add this, what happens is you get this generic field somewhere here. Now you want to make it as a URL. Okay. We just say URL. Okay. So this is something about French Revolution and all that. Okay. So this is URL control. I said update. Now to this, I'm going there in the URL, I'm going to paste this and save it. So if I go here, you will see in the URL, the French Revolution has come.
Okay.
You can play it here itself. Okay.
Okay. How does it
Clear?
differentiate, sir? If you give some normal link like a web page or something versus a
Yeah, you
video.
can give it.
Okay. So that.
We should give the full HTTP path. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
So just on the controls, these are the different types of controls which you have. URL, text area, large, combo. Say multi-select is there. Multi-select. Okay. Now you say this, that. I gave 3. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just editing this and I get 3 options.
Okay.
The same thing, if I make it as a combo, I get only
Drop down.
one drop down here.
Yeah.
Now I want to bring it to my listing for our reference purpose. I can say generic field, show me in the listing. So it is showing me the generic field. Okay. Now I go there and select the option 2 and update it. So I get option 2 here.
Okay. Okay.
So this itself as it is, okay, I can also make it as generic and say I said switch, okay, or I may say voting is single voting, okay. When I say single voting, what happens is when you are saving this, you will see the data coming as this and say option 2. It immediately gets saved.
Okay. Okay.
So if you edit this, you will actually see option 1 here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This same thing I can say is voting. Okay. Let me see. I don't remember. Okay.
Is there any documentation, sir, for all these different control types and what is what kind of
We
thing?
have some documentation. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I think that
So
would be
so I
helpful.
click
Just
this.
okay.
As you must have noted, it is a very big piece. Okay.
Right. Right.
So this is all basically to make the people more comfortable. Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose I bring this, I don't have any numeric field. Okay. I will try if there is any num1 is there. Okay. I brought the num1 into the form. So this is the form. Num1 I entered some 23. Okay. So this num1 I want to bring it here also. Num1. Okay. That means it has come, 23 has come. Now the same thing, this num1, okay, is percent. So you will see 23 have come. You got it?
Yeah. I think this looks good.
So it has a lot of other features, but you must have the interest to use it. Okay. I have one PPT on exclusive on control types. Okay. And the
Okay.
forms and all that. But I want you to experiment because yesterday I saw you people together have put about 8 people, only one record. Okay. I don't know who has put that, but so, I was not very happy about it. Okay.
Sure.
But
Sure. So
doesn't
I
matter.
think we'll. Yeah.
No, because the reason is unless you use it, okay, there is no meaning in myself because we are not kids. We are not going to conduct any exam and then let you
Right. Right.
know,
Definitely.
test it out whether you know it or not. Okay. So unless you add data different types, of course, controls you may not be able to know, but unless you add different data and then try to understand, it will be difficult. Okay.
Sure. Sure. Sir.
So we have also shown the video, YouTube URL, and voting. Okay, now this itself, again, I'm playing with this generic. I'm saying it is a video control. Okay, let me see. It's a long time I have used this control video. Okay. Hello, this is just a sample of the video control, trying to show them. Of course, this video cannot take a large file. It will just for you to put a some short comment. Okay, thank you. So here is the video. Oops, I think we have not given any permission or anything like that. Maybe. Okay, just to see. No. Similarly, you have an audio control. Okay. Let me show some of email attachment, year, month, date, process, statutory documents, print screen. So it is a print screen control. Okay. What happens is I edited here. Okay. I took a print screen. Okay. Selected the area. See, this image has come here.
Okay.
That means it has gone to the server and saved that image clearly here. Okay. Print screen is there and see number decimals. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimals, lowercase only, uppercase only. GST validation. You say GST validation, it will validate the GST. Is focus today, future, Excel template. So this is also one interesting one. Let me just see. So it created an Excel here. I can simply edit it. Down arrow, okay, tab. So it has created this many. You can say add column. Save changes and save it. We have put for the first one. Okay, we have violated some security feature.
Okay.
This is a mind map control. Okay, you can just, I'll show you just for reference. Okay, so you just click here and say add option 2. Okay, it added. Now here itself I'm going to add option 3, insert. So the 3 is added, 2, 3. Under this I'm going to add 3a. So it has added this. Okay. Now I don't know where is the save button. I don't know if I have forgotten. Yeah, they are here. Okay, you can just see the my mind map control. So it is not that you may be using all of them. Okay,
Yeah.
definitely it is that you may be using it, but this is called the drawing image control. Okay, so here what happens is you take anything, it gives a drawing. Okay, so just click to draw and you can draw something. Okay, and then save it. The second record we have put. You will see my image has come here. Okay, so here the num field is having 4 decimals. So if I want only decimals, 1 decimal, okay, I'm just putting it here. So you will see only 1 decimal coming up here.
Okay.
Video control screen recorder. I don't know what it is. Map my India HTML. This is the address control which we have used.
Yeah.
Okay.
That will do.
So these are about some controls. Okay, which we have here. This many types of controls are there. Now, when you go to the second piece is the attributes which are there for a field. You can just see how many attributes are there. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, that's yes.
So that means every field, not only you can select the type of control, you can control these things carefully. Okay, and similarly, every form has a lot of attributes. Direct landing, no delete, no insert, and all that. Suppose you feel students, I'll be only uploading, nobody should insert the data. Okay, new data. I just go here and I say no insert. Keep your eye on the add new.
Yeah.
Now the add new, 1 minute, I have not saved it, I think. No insert.
Yeah, it was not saved.
Save. Yeah.
Yep. Now
So
it's
the
gone.
add new is gone. So here you can edit. Okay. Now you can say, no, nobody can edit. This is a read-only form. You just go there and make it as a read-only. So the moment I make that, whatever that comes on the right side will be just data. You won't get anything to add or insert. Okay. So I'm going to remove those things. Read-only, no insert. So you will see no insert, no delete, has email, tasks, and these are all the form level attributes you can have. As a photo accordion, if I say accordion, I think it will come like this. See, here you got it, no? This is your address, what we created.
So we can minimize each section.
Each one separately.
Yeah.
So all that you said is just, it is accordion form.
Okay.
So if you say add new, you will see the general opened, contact opened, and all are open. Suppose you want to close it, just click once, they get closed.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to give a feature that Excel data has data porting, has data download. Both it has this form. So here if I go, I will see download data. So it asks which are the fields you wanted to download. So these are the fields which are there in the actual form. You can just say select all, and I don't want this and this, something like that, and you download. So this is the data which got downloaded. Okay. Now I want to upload back. Okay. I am saving this on my desktop. CSV format. Okay. So I'm closing this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this data. Download, data porting, upload. Okay.
Okay.
So here it is saying set the fields. You can download a sample. Sorry, I have to select the fields which I wanted to download. Okay. I have to just say Excel. So I want to have my student number, father name, registration number, only these three. Okay. So now I'm going to say the application, please download the data. So those three got checked. Okay. Because we have set them. So now you can download, or now you can also upload because you have set the data porting. So these three have come, and we wrote some help there. They have come here. Got it? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
On the form. So I'm saying choose file. Is this the one we created just now? Oh, one.
One. Yeah.
Okay. I said upload. It created 3 records here. Okay. First column cannot be null. It is saying that. So if we go to the Excel, geolocation or something else. Okay. Let me see if it comes in. Yeah, 3 records are created. I'm refreshing it. So where did the data go? Okay, record type I have not put. See, all of them have a base filter called the record type.
Okay.
Record type is students. This is not there in that.
Oh,
So that was a mistake. Okay, because I should have defined it in the downloads. So I can go here and check this. Sorry, this
right.
record type also. I'm trying to get it from the Excel. Okay. So now I'm going to download the data. First, download the data. So it is giving me the fields which I have selected for download. Okay. So where is the record type? Record type is not in the field. That's why it is not coming. Record type is also there. I have to bring it to general. I'm downloading the sample Excel. Okay, this is GV students. So this sample Excel has only 4 fields. Okay. But this has the record type as GV students. So I have to simply put the students data. I'm going to here and I'm going to here and say data porting. Choose the file, student data, upload. Okay, data because first column cannot be null. Let me see it has created anything. No. So you will see the records have come here. Okay.
Yeah. So the earlier it was having some empty records.
No, what happened is actually I selected instead of GV students, I should select the other one. It should be GV students. I selected students. It is this.
Oh, okay, wrong. Okay.
Wrong. So like this, you can develop this. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can port the data if you have, but see, a lot of things might look very simple, but you have to follow a lot of rules and regulations. Okay.
Yeah.
To the extent possible, we have put some validations, but we cannot guarantee that one has to sterilize the data properly and then upload it. Okay. So we have done the Excel down uploads. Okay. So I was just showing you these things. So this is the tree view. When I say tree view, you get this. Okay, from here you can add marks. Okay, the people have come, academic year, something, some subject, some code, 99 marks. So that data comes and sits here. So if I go to the first person and try to see the details, this is only one is there. Maybe let us see if we have put for the last person. We have put some family numbers, some this thing, and now you can add attachments. So when you attach the document, that same will be appearing here in the attachments. Okay, all these are here. So if you click, some of them may be images, okay, and some of them may be the Excel files and things like that. See, the Excel file got downloaded. Okay. So are you getting some idea about the things?
Definitely.
So,
Definitely.
so some direct landing, what is direct landing? What is not everything is covered. So for today, we will now we started around 10:30, if I'm right. Now it's
Yeah.
around 11. Okay, because I don't want to push everything and then it will be confusing. Okay. So are you getting it clear?
Yeah, yes, sir. That first half an hour I'll review it again
Yeah.
once the recording
You
is
read it
created.
again.
Yeah, I will definitely go through that.
So what I suggest is all of you try to come out with some assignment. Okay.
Okay.
So, the student need not be student and all that, but you come out with your own assignment, some project management we wanted to do like this or something, some 3 4 prompts, so that we can do it together. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. All of you, any further things? So you might have noticed it is having lot of features. Okay, even if you when you go to reports also. Okay. Suppose here you go to my, of course, in your case there are no reports which are there is no data available. So obviously there is no data. So here you will see the setup. Yeah, there are no reports in that. Okay. So let me go back to my process flow and see academics display process, and here I'm going to create students. So this is student. So maybe you can bring it down, okay, bottom, and then say this is connected to this. So student is the, sorry, when you click it, you are landing into here. I'm going to process flow. Okay, this is students. I'm going to add an arrow, comma, students. It is right to bottom. So it will draw a line right and then bottom. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So if I
So
even if I
right.
move little away, it will take care of the position.
Okay.
So this is a better way of showing the menus, okay, so that that person knows exactly where he is. So if he clicks here, he will go to the students, okay, and if he clicks here, he will go to the demographics, country, city, state, and all that.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
This process will help him to land faster.
Sure, sir.
Now there are child forms to this, so you can say family members. So that is a child form, and you have marks as a child form. So you can just bring both of them to maybe left and down, bottom and bottom. So these are family members. I'm just copying this. I said, add new connector to this, and I'm going to say bottom right. So here it connected to this. So marks in a similar way, I'm going to add another connector, comma, marks. I'm going to say bottom right. You're getting the idea, no?
Yeah.
But these you cannot land directly because we have said that you cannot directly land on them. You have to go here and take it as a link
Link.
only.
Okay.
So here we have given the link for marks.
Okay. And
So
does
these
that
are different.
link has, sorry, sir. that link that you have created, right? That bottom right. So that
Hmm.
does that has any implication on the process flow or something, or it's just for visual indication, sir?
No, this is visual indication only. This is
Okay,
no,
okay. It doesn't have any impact on the process.
no.
Okay, okay.
As of now, there is no such limitation.
Okay, okay. Sure,
Okay.
sure.
This is more demographic, diagram-based representation.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So that it becomes easy for the man to really see what is
Understand.
happening where
Yeah.
he is.
Right.
But at the same time, it also, because I'm in design mode, you are seeing all this. Suppose I remove the design mode and say display, you will see this.
Okay, okay.
But all this clicking, everything works.
That linking will be there. Okay.
Yeah. And this, when you click process, you will land into the main menu. Like this, you can create different processes, and you can keep using it.
Sure, sure.
In case that person is not having access right to this, you will see this in some dull color. So here also some
Okay.
small facilities are there. I can edit this, okay, and say this is some special form. I said it becomes some blue in color just to identify that something critical you wanted to have it. So I'm
Okay.
going to remove that, and I'm going to say multi-layer. Okay, that indicates there are many students or something like that. This is just a diagrammatic
Okay.
representation. We are not going to use this for or process design and things like that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just 1 minute.
Sure, sure. Are you feeling okay, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. My power is out, so I'm trying to connect.
Okay.
Okay. So is that okay? Are you clear?
Yes, sir. That is clear. So Excel form.
So this is the second day I didn't want to stop. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I will do is I will send you some um, Excel, some PPTs. Okay.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yeah, I have to give you the PPTs.
Yeah. That control types.
And this also has what is called mm, Picto chart. Okay. This is one important feature. This will help you to do things a little more better. So I'm saying picto chart. I'm adding. Okay. This is a serial number, some academics. Okay. Some title. What is the type of layout? I want a sequence diagram. Okay. So this is all I said. So now I will see the picto chart outcome, picto chart sequence diagram, images, modules, picto chart sequence diagram. I don't know, maybe we have removed it by mistake. I'll just show you here in ours. These are all different types of, suppose this is arc structure process to chart. Okay. Is it picture chart, right? Oh my God. Yeah, there are things here. Yeah, this is the chart. Okay, so it has drawn the chart like this. So I'm going to this. So how I'm going to write is like this: the chart name and any comments here. Okay. So I selected zigzag. Okay. So what are these charts? These are the types. Layout 1 will be like this, 2 will be like this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to select 5, suppose. I just go here and I say 5 circles. Okay. And this diagram, I try to see in 5 circles. They appear like this. The same picture chart. This will be of great help. Actually, you can download this. Okay.
As a PNG file, okay.
Here it is. Sorry. So these are going to be of great help even in presentations. The reason this application is there, you should not go anywhere else for these things. That is what I meant. Okay, either it is documentation or Word or whatever it is. We are trying our best to do it in this itself.
Right.
This is our Office module, implementation and Office module. So here you will see gap. Okay, so I can write a gap here. I just wrote a gap for guruveda. Okay. Let me hope my emails are activity. This is in this picto chart I wrote. So if I go for this, okay. Now it is showing me the gaps. Okay. So that means 0 of 1. That means one gap is there. I have not attended to that. That is what it says. Suppose I say it is done. Okay. And one more control I have to show you is in your application only. So students. Okay. So I'm going to the student. Okay. And this generic, I'm going to make it as thread control. Okay. So I'm going here. So view generic. These are the data. Okay. One, this student is notorious. I saved it. Again, I'm going to the same student. It is telling me, see, administrator on this department. Okay. These are the fields which have come. Okay. Let me see the other type of thread control. Thread old. Okay. Let me go to this control and say note summary. Okay. New note. Okay. This is note 1. I wrote it. So for the same student, I'm just going there. Note summary. If you have written any new note summary, I'm trying to save it. It's saved. Okay, now I'm going here. And this is the note summary. Okay, new note. Or I say summary 2. Okay, now I'm going here and trying to note summary and see that. So it will tell you who has written this. Admin at this time has written summary 1. Okay. So who wrote this at what time? It will be, suppose this is new note. This is, I'm just writing little more content. Okay.
Is it editable when you click on note summary, sir?
No,
Shouldn't
no,
be
no.
there.
No.
Okay.
It is
Yeah,
because the
otherwise,
purpose of this control is that once you have written a note, it will be
yeah,
there.
it will corrupt the
This is the
format.
note. You
Okay.
cannot correct anything.
Okay.
I'm just getting something. Okay. I'm just taking this much text and pasting it here. So, sorry, I think this is not the one. New note. I'm going to paste the text here. Okay, now it got saved. I just see the thread here. You can see what all I have written.
Yeah.
Okay. So even in ours, we have integrated ChatGPT.
So we can add this as a control, sir, or
No, we have not given this as control as of now.
okay. And this is integrated with ChatGPT 3.5.
Not the latest one. I don't remember what number it is.
Okay. Yeah, I think we only have 3.5 is free version.
No, I paid actually some $20.
Oh,
So this is the entire content.
Yeah, this is really cool.
So you are getting some basic idea about the application framework. Okay. So
Yeah,
basically, I
right,
want
right.
to tell you it has a lot of features. The reason first I have not given to you is no, unless you have confidence that it is going to work, you don't attempt. Now, he has just shown something not working. Okay. So that is the reason I wanted to develop this piece for you. And you should be convinced that whatever we are trying to do is coming there. Okay.
Yeah, definitely, sir. I think understanding all these controls will take some time, but once we understand all these controls, I think definitely it can solve most or almost all the generic problems out there. So
Yeah,
for
yeah,
any
yeah.
scenario, I could see a control here.
Yeah, more or less different types of controls are there.
Right.
So in the previous first meeting, when I said, no, I may not customize, suppose you say I want new type of control, something, okay? I may not be able to do that because unless I see something useful in that, I may not see that. I may not do that. That is what I meant, okay? So
Yeah,
if I get an
definitely.
idea that it is going to be of help, definitely I will do this.
Sure.
This is in Karnataka.
Okay.
You'll see the Karnataka. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Dhanujay was asking for some customization, but I'm really not seeing any need for that. At least at this point, whatever the control or flow that we can think of, I'm sure it's already implemented here.
Yes.
Yeah, we just have to
Okay.
know what to use and how to use.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. So just 1 minute.
Any recent customizations that you had come across, sir, these days?
No, see, in the business logic, there may be customization. Somebody says, I we
Yeah, at
calculate the
least from the
GST after freight and all that. Okay, because we are more
right.
into ERP. So otherwise, in the control level, I don't see anything, frankly,
Anything
coming out.
recent?
So
Okay.
this is the page fields. Okay, I'm sharing it. Copy the link. Just try to click whether you are getting it.
Yeah, 1 second.
Hello? I
Yeah,
have
checking
sent
it.
the link in.
1 second. It says you need access. I think
Okay.
you'll have to generate the link and then open the access.
No,
Sir,
no,
otherwise
I will.
everybody. Okay, or else
No.
I will request.
See, plumsoft.com. Anyone with the link.
Yeah,
Okay,
anyone
copy
with
the.
the link.
Okay. Now I'm sending the link. I think it is the same link.
Okay.
Now you click.
Yeah, I clicked it. Seems like it's opening. This may take few moments. It says.
Yeah, because this has about some 220 slides. Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm able to see this slide.
Yeah. So these are page
Okay,
fields
fields,
and
control type, text box.
yeah,
Yeah,
simple
218
launch.
slides are there.
Yeah. Okay, Plumby videos, Apple, Android heading, my photos, new folder, page field features. Okay, Plumby overview. I'm Share link. This is another one. Okay.
Okay.
Page head. These three I will share it today.
Okay. Okay. Restricting.
Okay. So page field, page head, some overview, something I have given. Okay. Just try to read it and understand. Okay. All these
Sure, sure.
confidential data, please don't share with anybody. Okay. All of you.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
And I had asked Purnima for some sample data from real data of the students. She said she'll try to get it in a day or two. So yeah, as soon as I get it, we'll share that data. So we can.
Yeah. Okay then. So we will wind up for today.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think this is a lot of information to digest. We'll go through this one, sir. We'll go through that first 30
So
minutes and then
it is
we'll
better
start.
you all go through the videos together or something like that. But I want to see
Okay.
the participation. That is important for me.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Right then. Bye. We will conclude for today. Chandu?
Sure.
Sir, yes,
చందు
sir.
ఉన్నారు
Sir.
కదా
ఉన్నాను సార్.
రెడ్డి గారు మీరు అది కూడా పంపించేయండి. See
Video.
here I'm now trying to search for Telegram. Okay. So this is the link I have sent you.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So I'm able to just open the page head. This is page head PPT. Okay.
Yeah.
So everything we have very structuredly, reasonably, I will say, we have done it. Okay. So
Sure.
there is an objective first, accordion. What is the objective? Okay. You just tag like this. Then with accordion, you will see something like this, general, all these things. Okay.
Right.
So this is webcam. You can take a webcam. This is about no delete. So you don't get deleted. No insert. Okay. So set flag, no edit. All these are, this is about page controls, I think. Not page head. This is about page head. Okay. So this is about has attachments, how to configure attachment type. Then you get the attachments. You go through them. And this is also having a lot of slides. Yeah, this is 247 slides.
Okay.
Okay then.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay. Bye, all of you.
Sure. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Nani, ఏమైంది?
డబ్బు బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉందండి వెళ్తే లేదు అక్కడ